Welcome to the video tutorial of Unreal Engine 4. In this video tutorial I am going to show you that how can you create different shots and make a single video from the different shots with the different cameras. For that we need to create level sequences first. The name of my first level sequence is camera 1. Name of my second level sequences is camera 2, and the third level sequences is camera 3. Also we need to create a master sequence because we need to import these 3 level sequences into this big master level sequences. So to create this master level sequence according to your need, time, seconds, or etc, we have created a master level sequences, but it automatically showed this environment and create automatic shots over there. So we don't need this. We have to delete this because we are going to create our own shots. So for the camera 1 we need to click on this camera button. If we click on now we don't have any camera in this environment. If we click on this, camera is automatically created in this environment. So create the camera, click on the keyframe, which is automatic keyframe. If you don't want to this, you have to make click on again and again on this key. So make sure that you have enabled this, because wherever you go it will automatically record your key in the entire line. And click on this. Now if you first place first keyframe, and it will automatically record another keyframes like this. And we have to go to the priority. Okay, I reach out there. Okay, enough. This is our shot 1. Now our shot 2 is, for the shot 2 we need to go there because I need to make this shot from the different location. Yeah, this location is good. Create this. Keyframe is on. Place a keyframe here. Go to here and make it camera like that. Now if you move this, your video is animate. Now our third camera. Same process. Create a camera, place a keyframe and go to the desired place where you want to shoot the video. So I'm going to shoot from here and reach at there. Okay, this is recorded. Now one thing more we have to do. We have to close this enough, because for the first camera, come in the first camera, fade track. Fade track is the track which gives some cool design to your videos. +1 with the keyframe and 0 with the keyframe. Again press 0 with the keyframe and 1 with the keyframe. Now copy this and paste it into this. Now we paste it, and same process for this. Paste here. Now we have 3 camera shots ready and 1 master sequence. Where is our master sequence? Master sequence is inside cinematic sequence and this. So to add, we have to add short track. Means in short track we are going to add our level sequences. For short, track 1, track 2, track 3. Track 2 will be here, track 3 will be here, 02 means 1450. 1752. Okay, now you will see our one camera is moving right here on the right hand side. One camera is going from the top and one camera is this one on which we are, this one and the camera is this one. For this, now for this track we need to select camera again. For this track, come here, select camera again to view this movie. Now if I'm going to render this, we have to render this movie from 0 frame to 752. So render this movie from 0 frame to 1752 and output directory is going to be this one, means Unreal project. Okay, and the file format name is camera shot. Okay, and okay, if you want to add a music clip, right here you can add a music clip or a sound clip. Okay, capture movie, save, select. Now our movie is rendering. Just we have to wait for some time till our movie rendered out. Then I will show you that quality of the different shots. I hope you have learned that how to shoot from different locations with the different cameras and how to organize this different shot in the single master level sequences. If you have any doubt in this video or any doubt in your project regarding this Unreal Engine 4, please comment in the comment box. Also hit the subscribe button for our channel. I'll really appreciate it. And yeah, one thing more, I want to tell you that if we blend what is the Unreal Engine 4. Unreal Engine 4 is the real-time rendering software. Means it rendered out right into the on screen. But inside of Blender or inside of 3ds Max, many type of softwares, the movie or the frames which we are rendered out, which took a lot of time to render out from the software. But in this thousands, 1000, even 8000 frame we can render in 3 or 4 minutes only with the high quality. So this is the benefit of this software. I hope you learned that how can you create this movie. So this is our last camera footage. After this I will show you the original rendered movie out from the Unreal Engine 4. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go and go. Okay, now movie is finished. Now I'm going to open a folder and camera shots. This is our movie which we have rendered now. This footage, first camera, 30 fps, render time around 3 minutes, which is cool video. We have used fed track to make it look more attractive, and this is our third camera shot. Remember, we have created 3 camera shots. You can create different camera shots, many camera shots, which is named as level sequences. Import it into the master level sequences and render your movie. Yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.